So there's this issue with the gguf model not running, and it's pretty wild. I mean, the original model worked perfectly.
Wait, what? It's not running at all? That's crazy. What's the main problem with the gguf model?
Yeah, apparently it's related to some ggml dependencies, like the llama.cpp. Can you believe that's causing the whole thing to fail?
No way! It sounds like they really need to update those dependencies. But I wonder why the original model didn't have this issue.
Right? That's the wild part. It really makes you think about how different dependencies can affect performance.
Absolutely, that's such an interesting perspective. It's like those dependencies are the unseen drivers behind everything.
Exactly. And if they updated llama.cpp, it could potentially fix everything. But do they even know it's a dependency issue?
Good question. I hope they're aware. Otherwise, it could be one of those frustrating bugs they just can't pinpoint.
Yeah, bugs can be such a hassle. It's like a digital rabbit hole you can't escape. I mean, who wants that when things are supposed to run smoothly?
Seriously. It's like building a tower, and then one brick doesn't fit and the whole thing teeters. So, did they mention any solutions?
Not really, just hinted at the need for updates. It makes you wonder what else might be broken if they don't address it.
That gives me chills, thinking about all the cascading effects of one little bug. Software can really be like a house of cards.
Totally. Like it seems so solid until one wrong move. What about the other dependencies? Could they be affected too?
Oh, for sure. If one dependency isn't functioning well, it puts stress on all the others. It's a domino effect.
Right, which is where the real trouble lies. So they're basically staring at a whole puzzle that could all be misaligned.
So if they fix llama.cpp, could it literally cascade back to stabilize everything? That's fascinating.
Yes, it's almost like a chain reaction in physics. Tweak one thing, and it could change the whole system.
Wow, that makes the problem sound even more complicated. Why isn't this more common knowledge among developers?
I think it might be because people underestimate how vital dependencies are. They're just the background work.
That's such a good point. We often take them for granted until, bam, something fails. It's like ignoring the foundation of a building.
Exactly. If the foundation's shaky, everything crumbles. I never thought about software that way before.
Same here. So this situation with gguf is kind of like a construction site mishap. No one wants that.
Totally. Now I'm really curious how often other models face similar issues. Are updates frequent enough?
That's another good question. I wouldn't be surprised if many projects run into this, but don't talk about it.
Yeah, it's like software engineering's best-kept secret. But those discussions could really drive improvements.
Absolutely. Transparency could really help the community learn. It's amazing how collaborative this field can be.
And isn't it wild how dependency issues can teach us so much about systems thinking? It spills over into so many areas.
Totally. It's like if you understand one system, you can apply that knowledge elsewhere, like in ecosystems or businesses.
Right, just think about how interconnected everything is, not just in tech, but in life. It's super fascinating.
So true. Each dependency is like a relationship. All must be strong, or the whole thing might falter.
And paying attention to those relationships could lead to breakthroughs, not just in software, but in society too.
Wow, I love that perspective. It opens up a whole new way of seeing challenges. There's so much potential.
Exactly. So if we do circle back to this gguf model, it might be a crucial learning moment for the entire community.
Definitely. It's like an opportunity wrapped in frustration, waiting for someone to uncover it.
Right? And imagine if it pushes for a more collaborative approach. That could change everything.
Oh, wow. I'm excited to see where this all goes. Maybe this could be the spark for some significant updates.
For sure. All this talk about dependencies is blowing my mind. What a fascinating web we're all part of.
It really is. Each connection matters, and suddenly every little part feels incredibly important.
I love that. So what do you think? Next time we encounter an issue, could we just debug life's dependencies?
Absolutely. Let's keep that in mind and keep exploring. The interconnectedness of everything is such a rich topic.